What size is this? Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Third Coast OBS. Got some good news. Engine is finally here. Picked it up Friday. Bad news. Because I'd lost so much motivation and waiting on everything to come back to me, I have not really prepped up for being able to drop this thing back in yet. There's a few miscellaneous items I need to get. Something as small as a motor mount, bolts to the block, some stuff for the lower intake. I want to make sure that's all set up so I can use that to drop the motor in. I have the rear gas tank is still in the truck, and I need to pull that and drop that now so I can get both gas tanks back in. I'm going with the Quantum Fuel Systems retrofit fuel pumps, a 255 LPH. Also, basically, I was going to try and do a real fancy reveal on the truck. It's not going to happen. So what I'm going to do is uncover it, let y'all get a look at it, and we're going to start working at it. And of all things, to me, one of the most important that I'm going to do today, if I get nothing else done, it's going to be this. I'm getting rid of those terrible, smoked, Euro-style taillights and going back with the OEM Ford. I just think that makes the truck look great. So, let's get set up. Let's try to get this done today. Okay, here's what we're working with. Got the car cover on it. You notice the tires are still off. Again, that's another video. I should be putting them back on here because there's not much I can do until my front tires come off a back order. Of course, I got rain everywhere. It's been raining the last 2 days. Let's get this sucker uncovered. Remember, there's no front grille or anything. It's just gonna be my core support. I've never put anything back in because I don't want to fill it in, take it back out, just put the motor in. So you get a first ugly look. What do y'all think? All right, here's a walk down. Again, there's imperfections, a few spots. This car cover leaks just a bit. These are gone today, no matter what. We're definitely going to take out this trailer hitch, and the two things I told the guy not to paint, he did paint. I'm gonna have to basically probably plasti dip this to get it back to black, and then I didn't want my tailgate handle painted, but he did that anyway. And then underneath this jumble, we'll fix it soon. So we got the new windshield fixed up, our trim as best we could. Of course, we got new handles, new locks. Everything works, but somehow he messed up this, so I'm gonna have to go in and fix the handle itself. New mirrors, right? I'm probably gonna get some better hardware. This is the kind of stuff though that I was kind of irked about. There's a little bit of orange peel in this area, and on the hood I was really not happy about this one I saved. There's a little bit of orange peel in here. It's really smooth otherwise. He did some really good body work. It's dirty. There's some stuff that looks like it's imperfections, but I mean it's just the pollen and stuff by sitting, but it looks good. I mean, for not being touched, washed, anything in 3-4 months, we're good. I like it. Grill, all the old BS parts here. My front grill, my front bumper with my new air dam, everything's in there, and I believe inside I put all the bezels. Yes. So my bezels, and I guess that's all I have in here. Way better than what we were before. So now our goal today is I would love to get in here, get this out, drop it. Then I'm gonna have access to my rear tank, because I need to get that tank out. And this will not go back in. This tire will forever be gone. I mean, it's the old style. That's the original spare. I'm telling you, I think this is the original tire completely, but I mean, the tread on this is brand new. It's dry rotted, but whatever. I know this is going to be a mess when I take this off. I already know. I'm going to be a little disappointed, but I got to get it off. I definitely got to get that off. Let's take these off, see what it looks like with the right lights. And I apologize if anybody likes Euro style lights. They are not my thing, especially on this truck. Oh wow, those are different. That's what's going. We are going back with the OE style. That's the part number. Let's get them in there, see what they look like. Now, I just edited that, and I'm embarrassed to tell you how long it took me to get this thing screwed in. I screwed up, and when I tightened up everything, I couldn't get this screw lined up. I had to take everything back apart, take a flathead, just nudge it in there. Anyway, let's see what this looks like on this truck. Oh, that's already, come on. Come on. Yeah. I like it. Damn, that looks good. Here's the other part number we're going to be getting. The driver's side ends in a 405 and the passenger side's a 404C. So let's get it done. Okay, all the screws are out of this one. Just pull. All right. In. Such an improvement. Such an improvement. Well, we're starting to look like a grown-up truck again here. Oh, let's see, how do we get this off? Does anybody remember? That's bent. That's going to make it real easy. We just need to twist this. Okay, so what I'm not going to show you on tape is the wrong way to do what I just did. Really made myself mad. This was a Klein Phillips head. I just snapped. All this stuff's so rusted out, it was like impossible. What I ended up having to do on the other side, on this side of the spare, there is this bolt running through here and up. So I just took a 1/2 inch impact, hit it, it threads right through here. So from there to there, hit it with the impact. Luckily it didn't slip. Dropped it. That freed this side up. Okay, now to the other side. Just wiggled it around because this was completely shot. Lined it up. That's where I snapped the screwdriver. Was trying to twist this to get through that hole. So with it loose and free, I ended up just ushering it around and getting it out. So looking through here just now, I had a little concerning news. I'm looking at this where it looks like it was dragging the tire. I'm hoping because he had super tall tires, but both sides are like that. And you know, I went with those 305 drag radials. It's something to keep an eye out. I just hope maybe it was the height of the tire. Okay. More than likely, I'm gonna end up cutting this off. I don't know if I can maybe get a wrench up there and just whirl it down. That's fine. I'll try that. But this weather is turning pretty quick on me, so I'm a little concerned about that. The rear gas tank, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Undo the filler neck. You can either undo it from in here with these 3 bolts. I think they're number 8s or something. Or undo this hose clamp here. It should slide this filler neck out of this part. And maybe I could just unbolt that, put the jack underneath the center, and try to maybe usher it down once I unbolt these. Man, do I want to do this today? 100%. Do I have to do it today? No, because now with that spare tire out, I can pull this out and it's not going to be in the way of anything. It's about to rain is what's getting me. Let's at least get the stupid trailer hitch off of here before we quit for the day. Man, I am not looking forward to this. Was this threaded in? How does this work? Okay, well, new plan. Luckily, having such a specialized bumper, only X amount of them came on the Lightnings only. The Lightnings were only produced in the first gen from 93 to 95, and of those, I don't know how many had the tube bumper. I know it was an option package. So it's not as easy as looking up the answer to the questions. I can't tell if this ball is threaded in or if it's the typical slide in and bolted up. It's not moving. I don't know if it's just gunked up, whatever. I've tried to unscrew it with like a strap ratchet. That didn't work. I've beat the crap out of it with a dead blow hammer from underneath, from the top. Right now I got just a tiny bit of pressure and I'm trying to soak some penetrating oil in there. And I think I'm gonna have to give up on this one. The weather's playing tricks on me. I thought it was gonna rain, now it's not. I don't wanna get too far deep today, but I sure would like to try and get that dang gas tank out. I'm gonna take another look at it and see exactly what I'll need to do if I try to start it today. Well, I guess we can at least try to start. Let me undo this filler neck tube. Okay, moving over here. These are 5/8 on bottom. Let me see if I can just bust that loose without having to hold the top. I just round that off. That's about my luck to start. So these are so old and rusted. Those are even worse, that they're just spinning, stripping. Back to these bits. It's the only thing I can do to hold them, and I know they make hardware kits for this, so that's all I'm gonna do is just replace these bolts. Okay, so here's my problem. It's been so long since I filmed. I'm not prepped up like I should be. I got probably 20 minutes left of filming on this card. So you saw I took this one on the driver's side, the front and the rear bolt. I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll bring you back when I'm lowering the gas tank down. Be right back. Okay, all 4 bolts are out, and looking around, I didn't realize this till the last bolt, but there is a washer up on that top rail. Make sure you get them, keep them if you need them. Ready to be dropped, that I think of anyway. So let's see what happens. I know there's a fuel line up top. I'm hoping I can just get it down and start looking at it. Let's see what happens. All right. Okay, so the filler neck is not moving. I almost want to play it safe and just undo it from in here real quick. It looks like, I'm guessing in the filler neck it's a 7. It's been so long I don't remember. But that don't want to fit. That, no, it doesn't either. There's a 6. Didn't even go on there. There's a 1/4 inch. It doesn't go on there. What size is this? Is it a half? Well, I don't have anything like that. Well, let's go to the store and see if I can get some half sizes. What a pain in the butt. I'll be back. 6 point. That's why. I didn't have any here, of course. So I just went and had to buy one. So we're going to take these 3 out and then we're going to keep dropping it. I'll be back when I'm done with the filler neck. Okay, they're out. Let's see what happens now. Well, there's one tab over here. That seems to be kind of a pinch point. Here it comes. This is just like when I did my front one. Okay, the electric just got unhooked on accident, but I just inadvertently unplugged the fuel pump. I need to remove this piece and then see what else I can get out. I can't see the fuel lines. Oh, great. It looks like the fuel lines are up front. Those are hard as hell to detach. Damn. Man, those fuel lines are buried. I gotta figure out how I can attack that. Just unhook those two. If I can unhook them, then I can then try to start sliding. Give me a minute, I'll be back. I should just mowed the grass today. Look, it's day one, starting this back up. I got a lot of stuff started, but nothing really finished. I'm gonna have to, unfortunately, take a break. I'm right back where I was on the front one. Every fuel line in this truck has fought me tooth and nail. I got to get those two undone so I can drop fuel tank. Pretty beat. Got a lot of progress. I'm going to jack it up so we don't just hang here on the line, but I'm going to have to put this one on pause until next time. Today's August 21st, so the other good news is I've had tires, my front tires on order since June. They're supposed to ship. If those tires show up, I'm going to take all 4 of them and have the new tires mounted and balanced, and then I can put those on the truck instead of those old ones that are going flat that are dry rotted. The one good thing, at least we got the spare tire out. It's been a long time since I worked on a truck. Now I remember why I didn't want to start it again. This truck's dirty underneath. Anyway, guys, there you go. You finally got the peek at the truck. Saw some work going on, and there's a lot more to come, obviously. So if you stuck with me to the end of this one, I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye-bye.